Hey, Vince here. Rhetoric Art. Basic pencil, brush, and airbrush tools. We want to go to the toolbox and simply just click on pencil right here. And pencil simply does what it says it does. You can change the variations. This is the standard pencil right here. Of course, you can change the size. We'll start off with the large size. You can go down to all the way down to 1 point. Kind of light, can't really see it, but we'll bring it up just a tad bit. Now 10 is a standard, so you can see that right there. Okay, the brush tool works the same way. You can use all the different variations, of course. Like we just said, we can create variations, you can import variations. I mean, there's pretty much endless of what you can do, or what can be done. Enlarge a little bit so we can see what this particular tool does. Gives you a variation of like stars and stars and sunshine shapes. You can go down here and switch it up. There's so many different options you can do and use. So they work pretty much the same way. The airbrush works very similar to the pencil and brush. The only thing with the airbrush, it gives you smoother layers. So if you are trying to do a gradient, and I'll show you what that means, which is created by multiple layers. So I'll start with a large one first. Okay, I'll just go as large as possible. You see how smooth the actual edges are. You can clearly see it gives you a smoother and a wet-like feel around the edges. So if we were to just go down probably to the next color, a little bit darker, over top of that, it'll give you like a blending motion. And if you want to go a little bit darker than that, keep going, you can build what we call layers. And a lot of people use this for like painting faces or makeup, cartoons or things of that nature. But we don't have the time to really go into full depth, but just wanted to give you a little bit of the background with the airbrush. So airbrush is probably used for more fine detailing than you would use with the brush. Although the brush, you can use the brush for the same effect, but they all have their different, I guess, qualities and defects. So there's some pros and cons to both. So check them out, play with them a little bit, and get familiar with the tools, and go from there.